Mhm.
Hello.
Rahul, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me, Rahul?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yes. I'm able to hear you.
Okay, okay, fine. Mm, so we need to create insert the tables now. What are the tables? Master. Okay, department.
So you are working with IDT tool also, right? So
Yeah, yeah, both. We can do both in both. Functional wise, both are different. Both are
hmm
same.
both are same
The
actually.
way of designing has some steps. The steps are different, but ultimately,
Yeah, the steps is only different. Other than that,
other
the
than the concept is
functionality and
same.
everything
Concept is
is
same.
yes,
Concept
functionality is
and they are the same. All same.
mhm. Only the thing is that here we can use two or more database simultaneously, and in
Yeah,
universe
that's
Unity
the
will be
only difference.
that is the only difference. Yes.
Okay, now what will we do? Employee I will make join between these two tables. Okay. Employee next.
What password you are using for this IDT?
Sorry,
No, sorry. Means, have you checked that password for SAP HANA server?
it's working fine now. There is no issue with the HANA password.
Oh, okay, okay. That same password, right? Welcome 1234.
Yeah, yeah, same password.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll save this one. Okay, now we'll create one business layer, relational data foundation, new underscore.
So when we will go for OLAP connection?
When we have a BW system,
Okay.
when we use the BW, then we can go for. Now we create a class, new folder new underscore test underscore one. Now create. Not lab this department number, department name, employee number, employee name. Okay. Salary.
No, first we need to create a project and then we have to create a relational data
Yeah, yeah.
connection, relational connection.
I did all those things.
Okay, so this is my universe is your project, right?
No, my not 5 years. This is a test underscore 002.
Okay, test 002.
Now I delete all these things. It's not a dimension, it's in the salary dimension. Now we are saving here. Okay, let's go to queries. Create a query. Employee name, department name, salary, equal to list, star values, no, star values, prompt. Okay, now see the query from master department table, the prompt. Okay, get the values. Data collection. That's it. 1 minute Rahul.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Rahul, I got a call.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Now go to employee name. Come to case. Now add key. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Select what is it? We take employee number. It was not selected. Okay. Now we can save it. Go to queries. Edit query. Your script now. Close it. Just take this one. Add new query. Employee department salary. Employee name. Prompt. Then prompt will start like this. You see that the prompt is sorry. The prompt is looking. Hey, there is no data in this. Okay. Let me check if there is data or not. Oh, that's what there is no data in this tables.
Oh, that's why it's not reflecting. We
Refresh.
need to know that where the data is actually in the table, right?
Yeah, in the table, database only.
So we need to create a new universe,
We
a
can,
new project.
we can create a new project with new things.
Yeah.
Test underscore 002.
The name is already
Oh,
exist. We need to change the name.
sorry.
003 or something.
Yeah, 003. Next, and the relational connection underscore relation. Next one we do is Microsoft. Then another database is SAP access. Microsoft Delete. 12. What is this driver? Next password. Test connection. This we have to change. Uh-huh. Let me check with this one. Connection.
What is this? This data source name?
This is the ODBC connection, ODBC data source.
So means before creating this connection, we need to make a ODBC connection first,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. That's one. That's the one.
Hmm.
Next, finish. We can export this publish to the repository. Relational connection.
So you are making it a secure connection, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That making to make a yes.
Yeah, now it's fine. So, yes. Okay. Now we move to data foundation layer.
Data foundation, yes. Data foundation.
Data underscore Q.
Test 03.
Okay. CNS connection relational. Finish. Now we have to insert the tables. Okay. Customer, region, and country. Okay. Now we'll make joins between these tables. Country ID. There is no ID between belongs customer belongs to which country. Okay, let me check. Okay. Country belongs to region and country belongs to resort. No.
With only one column connection with the table, we can fetch all the records from from the respective table, right?
Yeah, yeah. See, in making joint, we have to check out as per requirement. If we required all the data from left table and matching records from right table, then we can take outer join.
Outer join, yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, if we use the equals, we can make different operators are available here. As per our requirement, we use the operators also.
So, but generally we are using equal operator only, right?
Generally, we use, but if you want to define the ranges, or if you want to define any equijoin, in that case, we not use the
Mm-hmm.
equals operator.
So in that case, if here I want a eq join in
The
between both these table country,
equijoin or inner join, both are working as same.
inner join and eq join, right?
Yeah. So actually, this is the inner join. This is not equijoin here. Inner join is working
So
as
in
a
eq join, so in inner join here we are using, or eq join here we are using equal to operator, correct?
yeah, yes, equals operator, right? By
So when
default,
we
by,
will go
by
for the greater
default,
than,
by default, if we are not using any outer join or full outer join, everything, anything, then it will automatically work as inner join.
okay. But my question is, Ashok, when we will go for greater than equal to, or greater than is not equal to, when we will go for these all kind of
So
operator?
if you want to display in the report salaries, assume salary. So manager have more salary,
Mm-hmm.
and the assistant manager have less salary than manager, right?
So then we will go for the theta join, like the salary is in between,
Yeah, then we
means
can use the theta join. theta join is using the
Yes.
operator. Then that is the
Yes.
ranges.
Yes.
To display the ranges, we can use the theta join,
Correct. Correct.
right? So
There itself we can use theta join, right?
theta join, yeah, to the theta join. As per our
Can you
requirement,
please
we need to change our joint
join
type,
system, right? Yeah.
joint type.
Yeah, join type. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm changing here after
No, we need to check the
declaration.
cardinality. Cardinality we didn't check it.
So just we make two joints right here. The cardinality is not enough, not required here. Next one, go, we need to create a business layer.
But if we want a region wise resort ID, then we will not get the correct information, correct?
No,
Because
no.
the join is not between the region and resort.
Yeah, yeah. So we are connecting to the, so region also belongs to one country and resort also belongs to another country. Both are
Mm-hmm.
region and resort both are within a country or without any country. So I assume resort is available in Bangalore and the region belongs to in another state like that.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, next D business layer, build underscore new data foundation, finish it. Now we can create one folder. Folder is test underscore index. Creating dimensions. So country, region, country, region, resort. Okay, let me check once it is working or not. Country,
We didn't make a join here. We didn't make a join, so how it will work?
sorry Rahul, I couldn't. Where?
Actually, we didn't make a join, right? Cardinality. Like we didn't describe our the cardinality. Then how it will work?
Cardinality, oh, let me check. Okay, did it cardinal this? Okay, fine. Finish. Let's see it. Okay, next code is region, resort, apply, country, list, prompt, not list required. Okay, let us see script. Something wrong here. Now we can use, okay, let us see script. So now see country is displaying with the list of values. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay, we can make it. So next go to data for business layer. Assume. Okay. So add key. So this is the one.
Can you please again go back for how you are going to how you go to that parameter add key?
Just double click on country. Okay. So which
Okay.
object you want to make a
Hmm.
primary key? Come here and click on SQL.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now you want to display with IDs. So the problem is,
So after creating,
yeah.
yes,
So
after creating this, universe, we are going to describe primary key and foreign key.
yeah, describe and foreign primary and foreign keys. Why we are defining primary key and foreign keys? So by default, the database
Mhm.
is in the database coming with the primary key and foreign keys with IDs. Have you got the point?
Yes, yes,
Have you got the point?
yes, yes, yes.
The
But
database,
my question is like at
yeah, yeah.
at the time of
Let me conclude.
mm,
The
yeah,
database people will
yeah.
display store the data with IDs
Hmm.
with the primary keys and foreign keys. Okay, but
Correct, correct.
what we did, let me, okay, expression value successful close. Okay,
Hmm.
now go to queries and okay, first we will save it. Go to queries and edit query. Now use the script. Have to change the values. Let me start check with another one. No, not required. This will be how to get with the.
There only we can do edit
Yeah,
queries,
we have to get
script.
the values here actually. Instead of uh, instead of displaying the values, we have to get the IDs.
Okay, okay, okay. So for that we need to make another one, right?
No, once we save it here, data foundation. No, delete there. Okay, that's fine.
Or Ashok, is it is something like that at the time of making the universe, whenever we are joining the uh, um, fact table and the dimension table, then universe automatically smart enough to know that the column coming from the dimension table is the primary key and the column coming from the fact table is a foreign key.
No, no, no. So why here why we are applying indexes we are forcefully, this is not by default, forcefully we are doing the index. So
Okay,
when
okay.
we address the uh, in primary key and foreign key in the IDT, the IDT will forcefully display the display primary and foreign keys.
Okay, but what else if we will not, if we will not allocate the primary key and foreign key, then what in that case, what else will happen?
Otherwise, it will take some time. So instead of there may be chance, our country is Australia, some places are right. There may be chance
Mm-hmm.
some duplication. If there is any duplicate values in the uh, countries table, countries,
Okay, so it will show the duplicate values also. Okay.
Yeah, but IDs cannot be duplicate, right?
IDs will never be duplicate, right?
Duplicate.
Once we will
Yeah,
allocate that
yeah, but
country
uh,
ID as a primary
then
key,
the
so
data,
that it
yeah,
will
yeah, country ID,
it
country ID always IDs will not be duplicate. But the country names maybe
duplicate. Yes,
there may be a
but
chance to duplicate the country names. So
duplicacy. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. So
So in that case,
in
we
this case,
will
what will
able to
happen?
do.
It will take some time to read all the data. But if we apply country ID, if
Yes.
we apply primary key as a country IDs, then even though
Mhm.
we apply the filter on country names, but internally
Mhm.
we are forcefully telling to implementation design tool take the IDs
Okay.
which have the country names.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. So.
Australia is one country, but it has some ID.
Mhm. Yes. Yes.
So only the
Yes.
IDs will display
So,
here.
so that.
Rather than displaying country names,
Okay.
the IDs
Yes.
will display.
Country name. Country name.
Yeah. Some mistake is where the mistake is going. Just let me check.
But why here it's not showing country ID? Like we are filtering the data,
We are
it
filtering.
should show the country ID, right?
Yeah. It should be, yes.
Okay.
Country name will display.
Save the animation.
Business data foundation layer. Business layer. Primary key
So
file.
in data foundation layer itself, okay. No, no, I think in data foundation layer we need to describe this primary key and foreign key concept so that it will work, I guess. Because we described this all in uh, business
No,
layer.
no. How we did not get that option in the data foundation layer.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Just let me check once again. Delete query once again. So let me check if equal operator. Okay, equals Australia. Then it should display the ID only. Country only display. Why it's displaying ID? From three tables: country, region, resort. Okay, we selected three tables. Region inner join country on country value. Inner join resort on okay. Where country dot country equal to Australia. So country belongs to country. Country is India. Country, region, resort. Okay. Getting data, display, file, fasting. Okay. Now we are applying country and equal to Eastern values. Australia, Western report, distance. See the script. See, now it's detected.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
How you make it changes? How do you make it possible?
No, I did not make any changes. Actually, I created one more query.
Okay, okay.
When we created first query, that was not reflected.
That query was saved actually, I think.
Maybe
So that's why it was
here it
not
is not
working.
reflecting in the first query.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we did the everything right. I am thinking why it's not displaying.
Mm-hmm. So when we will go for that option, use custom query script?
Custom query script. If you want any SQL query, if you want to add any new tables or the new columns in your table
Manually.
manually or forcefully, then at that time you can
Okay.
use that SQL customization.
Okay, okay.
Once again, we will check region,
Mm-hmm.
research.
Customer result,
So now list of
country
values.
ID.
Check in list where displaying some list of values. So
Mm-hmm.
Holland, US. Okay. Now we can see the script. They are displaying with the IDs.
Yes, 671.
So when the
Yes,
data is
yes.
coming with IDs, automatically we'll get the data faster than with the names, right?
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this way, the drawback is if we are not using any condition or filter,
Mm-hmm.
the index will not work.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, some drawbacks are also there in index awareness. So in some scenarios, index awareness will not work.
So this is the concept of index awareness or primary key and foreign key?
This is the index awareness concept. So in this only we are applying primary keys and foreign keys. See
Okay.
now if I
But
now if we add one more key, automatically this second foreign key take as a foreign
foreign
key.
key.
Now see,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
So index awareness we are using to retrieve the data faster, right?
yeah,
Using primary key and foreign key.
foreign
This is the definition we can say.
yeah. See now I am adding with country ID.
And yes.
So region also have country.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here region dot country ID. So it work. The region belongs to which country? This will work as a foreign key. As a country,
Mm-hmm.
we are getting the data from country only, right? But we making a join
Mm-hmm.
region to country. So when we
Correct,
are
yes.
searching for any region, first the
Mm-hmm.
query will search for the country, which the region belongs to which country. So
The
we'll
region belongs to which
which
country?
country. So we'll get
Mm-hmm.
the data first country. After that, in that country, that region is available or not. If available, it will display the
Okay.
data, the region data. Otherwise, it will not display.
Okay.
Now I am saying now I am saving. Let's go. I will create one more query. Okay, country, region, resort. Now I will add two prompts. Uh,
The concept of primary key and foreign key will work only when we will go for query filter, right?
yes, yes. Now I also added the data to region also.
Reason.
Okay, region.
Reason, yes.
Go with the list of values. East Coast, Paris, Airline. Okay, okay. Now see the script. Oh, uh, the problem is we selected some list of values, but these regions are belongs to these states or not.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That is also belongs depends upon that. If we know the regions belongs to Australia, then we can add it better.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do one thing. We can step Australia.
Australia's reason, no, right?
Maybe. Do you have any idea about
Wales.
East Coast, Germany, Japan, England?
Or we can select all so that it will filter the data accordingly.
Select data, like that's
I
better.
think that, right?
Yes. List.
So that it will filter the data accordingly.
Suppose
Germany.
Germany. Okay. But here number of lot of values are here. Okay.
Randomly select two or four, maybe some will collide.
Okay. Let us see. Something is wrong going on here. Only the values are displaying, but the wrong value should display. Business layer is fine. Foreign key. Contributing the evaluating expression value. Okay. Uh, previous queries. Let me check. Say it. Country, region, resort. Let me check. See. Okay. No.
Still it is showing
Country.
reason name only.
Yeah, it should not display the name. Staff values. Small shows. Okay. And 265. Okay. The pattern going down. Region. Insert. Okay, working is fine.
I think we need to make it here. It is asking data type numeric. Yes, active. Yes,
No,
that is fine, right?
that is not an issue with that. Just we are giving the information design tool. Please pick the data with
Mm-hmm.
IDs at the runtime.
Okay. Yes.
So we
Yes.
are
Yes.
creating an object only with the object data. There is a name, but we won't display.
Okay.
But the data should display with IDs internally. That's we are forcefully saying to
Mm-hmm.
IDT.
Yes. Yes.
So it is correct here. Region identity foreign key. It should display the numbers also. Numbers only. Why it's not country. Within the country. Where okay. Same.
Now you are checking for region, right?
Yeah, really.
But this time it will not show for country.
No, not for I'm not looking for country.
Mm-hmm. But region only.
Only
Yeah,
region.
it will work.
So yeah, we got the data with the primary key working, but foreign key is not working.
Mm-hmm. That's what you are making. Region was a primary key.
Foreign key. Region as a foreign key. That should work here.
Oh, okay.
It's not working. No keys muted. Okay. The process is same. Maybe we sort that country ID. Okay. Receiving value 135. Why it's not working?
No, it's not working.
Country region. Okay. Display number. It's not reflecting.
Still it is not working.
Yeah, it's not reflecting. Why it's not reflecting?
So it
Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Do you have any idea?
means yes, means what I'm saying, that if means if it will work, it means that it will show the exact reason ID for that particular reason, right?
Yeah, idea only.
Oh, okay, okay. And for country also it will show the ID.
Yeah,
That is what we are looking for.
yeah, yeah. So we are what we make here country ID is primary as a primary key. So for the
Mhm.
foreign key also we are using region belongs to which country. That this primary key
Mhm.
ID only we are working as a foreign key for the region table.
Oh,
Yeah. So
oh yes,
we need to
yes.
get the data with IDs only.
Okay, okay. So this is the concept of
Index awareness.
this is basically the concept of
Index awareness.
index
Index
awareness. Okay.
awareness. Yeah.
So index awareness is basically work on in primary and foreign key concept.
Primary and foreign. Actually, this is the concept. Actually, I did everything correct here, but where the
Okay, okay.
mistake is going, I could not find the mistake where I did it. It should reflect. It
Okay,
should
no
reflect.
issue.
Once we make it as a foreign key, it should reflect in the query.
So how we will know that in a big project, suppose we have more than 20 tables, okay, or 30 tables. So how in that how we will come to know that to whom we need to make a primary key and to whom we need to make a foreign key? Or it depends on the user requirement, or user will only give us that
Yes,
this
yes.
should be a
User
primary.
will do the requirement.
Okay, so there it is mentioned that it should be a primary key, it should be a foreign key.
Yeah, yeah. They will mention.
Okay, 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 okay.
So otherwise, if they not, if, even though they are not asking also, uh,
Mm-hmm.
if we have an idea, yes, if we make this way, we'll get the report properly, or we will get the right data, speed, uh,
Mm-hmm.
data, will display the data with quick response.
So then we can go, right?
We can also implement our uh, we can
Own
implement
concept, right?
our own concept. Yeah,
Yeah, right.
correct.
Yeah. And so like day to day, what all the issues actually we are facing, like this is the very common questions. Definitely everyone will ask.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
day to day issue, what all the issues actually we are facing and how we are resolving the issue.
Day to day, they will not ask, but what kind of issues you are facing in the universe? They will ask them.
What kind of issue? Yes, yes.
By
So.
generally, we face the issues in the universe designing, traps, loops.
Mm-hmm.
These are giant path issues. Generally, we get the giant path issues only.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, in the case of hierarchies, maybe the hierarchy, if we want to drill the report, if the hierarchy is not defined properly, we'll get the issue.
Uh-huh.
Coming to the web pod,
Okay.
coming to web pod,
Mm-hmm.
you define a hierarchy,
Mm-hmm.
but unfortunately, if you not created hierarchies properly, then you will get the issues in the drill down reports.
So hierarchy we can create on the universe level itself, right?
Yeah, in the universal only.
So
We'll get some
yes,
issues in the date. So if you calculations, previous year data, previous month data. In that case also
mm-hmm.
maybe get wrong calls because we need to prepare some own formulas to display previous year data and previous month data, or current year data, current month data. So that in that case, we need to use the proper function and proper formula. Otherwise, we'll get wrong data.
Right, right.
So always the business. So this is the business requirement. Always it will count. It will depends upon the fiscal period.
Depends upon the physical.
Fiscal year. So each and every country,
Okay, fiscal year.
fiscal year. Each and every country follows the fiscal year.
Okay.
But coming to our India, India follows April, 1st April to March 31st. That is our fiscal period. Coming to US, they follows 1st October to September 31st.
Okay,
So
okay.
as per the fiscal period, we have to create the calculations, YTD MTD calculations, not from January 1st to December 12th.
Okay, okay.
That is not the calculation. So for example, this is September. If you want to make, if you want to prepare year to YTD, year to date, you have to count from April, not from January.
Yes, 1st April to
Yeah,
31st
first
of
April to
March.
till date you have to count.
So
That's it. So,
how yes, yes, yes.
so if we do not make calculations properly, this kind of issues will get in the report. The report will call this wrong data.
Okay, okay. But yeah, my question is, can we move to this calculation views like year to date and month to date and PMD?
Now,
Yeah.
now I have another work problem actually. I have to start my
Oh, okay,
work.
okay, 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 okay.
And I said small correction in aggregate tables. I said no need to, we should not make joins to detail table to fact table to aggregate table, right? But we can make the joins to detail table to aggregate tables to fact table to aggregate tables.
Yeah, we can make a joint. See,
Yeah,
because in last session you told that we
yeah,
cannot make a
we
joint. We
cannot
can make a
we
joint.
cannot make joins, but that's wrong. That's a small correction. We can make the joins.
Okay, how
But
we can make a joint and how it will work?
so if we do not have any IDs, if you are not working with IDs, in that case we can use the
Uh-huh.
we can use aggregate awareness function. Through that we can map the objects and we can use the aggregate tables. If we have all IDs with us, then we can make joins. It's better.
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
the suggestible thing is always use aggregate against function, and we need to set up incompatible objects. If you make joins, then there is not required to set up all the incompatible objects. But that is not recommended way. We can do,
Mm-hmm.
but not recommended way. The thing is,
Okay, okay.
we in real time we use number of tables and number of joins, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, we create number of classes and objects. So as per the number of
Mm-hmm.
objects and classes, we have to set up the incompatible objects. So it will take some more time to set up the incompatible objects. In that case, if we don't want to take any risk, on that case only we use the joins between the fact table to aggregate table. Otherwise, it's not recommended.
Mm-hmm. But we can check for incompatibility of the objects. Suppose if we check the compatibility of the object in the aggregate awareness table, so that it will first display the most summarized data, then it will go for the details data, correct?
Yes, right, right. First it will check in the aggregate table. After that, it will check
Mhm.
in the detail table.
Yes. So that is the case of checking the compatibility and
Incompatible.
non-compatibility.
Yeah, yeah. So if if we add
Incompatibility.
a incompatible object to the query panel, we'll get the data from
Mhm.
a detail table, not from aggregate table. In that case, the aggregate awareness will not work.
Okay, so if we'll make a join, then in that case we will get the data from the details table, not from the summarized table.
Not from the summarized table. Even though if you use the aggregate table, aggregate awareness function, or with the, if you make the join also, will not get from the aggregate table if it is incompatible object.
Definitely, if it
Yeah,
is incompatible object in aggregate awareness, it will come from the main table,
yeah,
right?
yeah. From the detail table only. If
From the
yeah,
details table.
on that day we saw query, we displayed three tables.
Okay.
Okay, that is one point
What is
we should remember.
okay? And what is derived table?
Derived table, I don't have much idea about derived tables, but it is one kind of views. Do you know views in HANA?
Mm-hmm.
So this is like a views concept. Derived tables also like views concept, but I don't have any idea about those derived tables.
Okay, okay. Here we are not using in BO. We are not using derived table, right?
Some people can use, but I don't have any idea.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
In one interview also, the people asked me. I said I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know the derivative tables concept. I did not use anywhere in my project. I said
Mm-hmm. Okay.
if you don't know if you don't know about the derivative tables, you can say I did not use derivative tables in my project because I did not get any chance to use them, and I don't have any idea about that.
Okay, 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 okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we have only one concept like calculation YDT and MTT.
Avoid MTD. We'll be discussing next meet.
Yeah, yeah. Can we make it tomorrow only so that it's a very YTD and MTT, it's a very two thing only, and I
Sure,
don't
sure.
think so it will take much
Uh,
time.
Possible will tomorrow only. Will be tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure,
Okay.
sure.
You can also check this one. Why it is not displaying? You can practice in this way. Same. You can
Yes,
follow
yes,
same
I will.
step. You can follow same steps. It should display with
Mhm.
IDs only, but still I am getting wrong data.
Let me check. Let me try from mind also. If I'll come to know tomorrow only we will discuss
We'll
that.
discuss.
Yes.
Yeah. Because all the steps are correct. What we did here, but
Yeah, the step is correct. The step
the
is
steps are
correct.
correct, and we are getting only primary key data, but not foreign key data. Why it is not affecting?
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Okay, Rahul.
Because primary key data is affecting. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It should reflect on the foreign key. Primary key should reflect on foreign key, but it's not
Yes,
reflecting
yes.
here.
Not reflecting correct.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, Rahul. Will
Ashok.
be tomorrow.
Sure, sure. Thanks. Thanks a lot, Ashok.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.